Hello everyone. This video we are going to look for Central University PhD admission for 2025. Last date to apply for 22nd October 2025. So we are going to look in this video which university they announced and they published for 873 huge vacancy is available for PhD admission. So we can look for all the detail which is helpful to you. So stay tuned and until end of this video you can go through it, and after that you can try to apply for PhD. So let's see. So the university name will be University of Allahabad. Okay, so this will be the Central University. So what will be the important dates if you're looking in a sense? 25th September, the online registration has been started, and last date for online registration will be 22nd October 2025. So the fees which we are looking right now, the general OBC EWS will be 600 rupee we need to pay, SC ST PWD 300 rupees we need to pay. Okay, so we can look for the full detail. Just you can go for respective university website, that is University of Allahabad. Okay, once you're going for respective university website, and from here if you're looking in a sense from the top, it's scrolling all the detail whatever the new information will be rolling. Okay, this is a way all the information will be loading over there, and from there you need to click for the admission 2025 and 2026, and from there only all the detail will be available. So that is what the thing we are going to look in this video, and from here different position is also, recruitment is also going on, but you need to look from there. Okay, so right now we are looking for the admission 2025. From here it's available, you can click this one. Okay, as well as for international student admission rules and procedure, that is also you can click it. Suppose in some other country if you're going to apply in a sense, that will be useful to you. Once you're going for admission 2025, from here it's available PhD admission session 2025 and 2026. Just you can click over here. Once you're clicking this one, this kind of link will be available. Okay, so for the press notification for English you can click, and suppose if you're going to register in a sense, you can click this one. So these two detail, from here it's available all the department detail, and from here the overall what they have given for the press, the information will be available. So just I'm pressing over here for press note for English. Once you're clicking this one, this respective window will open. Okay, and from here it's available the date which we already looked, and what is the eligibility criteria in a sense. All applicants other than those who exempted, such as permanent teachers, that is Constitution College or Allahabad University, if they are working over there, or else armed forces or international candidates. Okay, these people eligible to do for part-time PhD. Okay, and those people exempted from UGC and CSIR exam. Okay, so that's a special thing they have given over here. And other students, for Indian nationality Indian students, they should possess for 55% of marks and 50% of marks for these categories. Okay, so there should be a concession will be there. And what they have given from here, they have provided for particular subject and depends upon the availability. Okay, so that you need to look, and after that you need to apply. That is a marks point of view they have given. Apart from that, you need to complete this one. The first thing will be JRF. Okay, because for UGC net the divided 3 criteria, right? So by that way UGC net for JRF completed, all the candidate they will be selected, as well as for the category B qualifying appointed as assistant professor. It means net as well as PhD completed, that is a PhD qualified candidate for the second category. And for the third category, we by exempted applicants, all the applicants who's a exempted category, this is what we told, right? Armed forces and those who are working under Allahabad University, and constitution colleges of Allahabad University and international candidate. That is what the thing given over here. Exempted applicants, all the applicants, shortlisting ratio, that is what given. For international students, I already told you that link will be open over there. International student admission, this one you can go through it. Okay, from here only it is rolling. You can click and open it, and by that way you can apply for respective thing. And for the next one, reservation also provided over here. Reservation SC, ST, everything will be reservation available. And one more information they have given here in group B. So once you qualified on June 2024 or December 2024 or June 2025, you are eligible to apply for this admission. Okay, so you have cleared for only PhD in the year 2024 June, in a sense you are also eligible. Okay, if it is in December, you are also eligible. So that's a thing. For 3-6 month detail they have been provided. If you qualified, in a sense you are eligible for PhD admission. Okay, and part-time PhD option available for candidate, minimum 5 years professional experience in recognized organization as per PhD admission brochure. So if you're doing for part-time, in a sense you should possess for minimum 5 years of experience. That's the thing they have given clearly. International candidates, the candidates seeking admission for PhD program should contact international contact advisor of the university. That is what I told you, that link. Through that you need to approach. And admission process they have given over here. You need to send for online registration. You need to pay for this respective amount which we discussed already, based on UGC scores only. How they are shortlisting the candidate, in a sense they will consider for your score, okay, academic score, as well as for NTA score, as well as research aptitude test. The total marks 120 out of 120, how much you are getting. Based on that they will select the candidate. So totally 43 subject in 873 seats. So 873 seats they divided into 534 in university seats, that means university campus, and remaining will be in constitution college, that is affiliated colleges and all will be there, right? So that is what they are telling right now. So we can look how many departments and what about the number of vacancy. So totally 49 departments available, and these are all the colleges, okay, constitution colleges. What will be the abbreviation, that is what given over here. So right now we can look for management, because this channel mainly focus for management, right? So that's the reason we are looking for management right now. See here, commerce and business management, total seats will be 50 is available. Okay, depends upon the institution how many vacancies. So that is what given over here. By that way, all the other departments candidate you can look over here. Okay, after that you can try to apply, suppose if you are looking for PhD. So now you understand what will be the minimum criteria, how you can approach, how they are selecting, how much of fees and everything, okay, for entrance fees. Once you select it, and they will tell you how much amount of fees and all you need to pay. But if you want to look, in a sense you can look over here. Once you clear the examination, this is for the registration fee, one-time fee, and coursework fee this much, annual fee you need to pay this once. Okay, so you can go through it, those who are applying for remaining things. Okay, go through full thing, and after that you can try to apply, and what will be the criteria, everything they have been provided over here. And for MCOM, MBA post graduation, 55% of marks with this category, that is a minimum criteria they are giving. Okay, I think this respective information will be helpful to you. If it is helpful, in a sense you can like as well as subscribe and share to your friends, those who are looking for this kind of PhD admissions. Thank you everyone, thank you for watching this. Bye.